Based on the Changhe Z-11 light utility helicopter, the Z-11WB is built as a light attack and reconnaissance helicopter. In terms of function, it is similar to the American OH-58 Kiowa reconnaissance helicopter. Currently, the Z-11WB is in mass production for the PLA Army. The helicopter made its first flight in 2015 and was first introduced in 2016. The Z-11WB was developed as an improved version of the AC-311 model, allowing participation in ground operations, enhanced attack capabilities, combat support, command, counter-terrorism, etc. The original Z-11, mainly based on the Eurocopter AS-350 Eurocure. Indeed, on the surface, the machine is very similar to the Eurocopter AS-350 Eurocure. The helicopter has a 3-bladed main rotor, a conventional tail rotor, a horizontal stabilizer, lower and upper vertical stabilizers, and a skid tap landing gear. Although the Z-11WB has some modifications, its maximized takeoff weight remains the same as its predecessor, about 2.2 tons. The helicopter is operated by a single pilot and can accommodate up to 3 additional passengers. The rear seats can be folded in order to use door-mounted weapons or carry light cargo. Z-11 is equipped with a single Chinese-made Li-Ming WZ-8 turboshaft engine, developing 680 horsepower. The helicopter was designed to reach a maximum speed of 258 km per hour, a service ceiling of 5,270 meters, a range of 660 km, and continuous endurance of 3.9 hours. On the Z-11WB version, the cockpit has been redesigned, integrating multifunctional cockpit displays. The highly integrated avionics system aboard the cockpit reduces the workload of pilots. Z-11WB has additional pylons on either side of the fuselage to carry missiles and bombs. It is capable of carrying a squad launcher for Tier 2 air-to-ground missiles. Is intended to engage small land and naval platforms, as well as personnel. Other weapons that can be equipped include the Norinco 40mm LG-3 automatic rally launcher, 7.62mm 6-barrel minigun, and a SW-6 air-launched tactical UAV. Compared with the Z-10 attack helicopter, the biggest characteristic of the Z-11WB is that the light chopper can carry multiple fully armed commandos and send them into special operations. This makes the Z-11WB suitable for missions like ground attack, reconnaissance, and anti-terrorism. The small size, high mobility, and varied applications means it can become an effective supplement to the PLA's current helicopters, and together they can form a complete armed helicopter system from 2-ton class to 10-ton class. Military experts said that the introduction of the Z-11 filled the gap of China's domestic helicopter division, made a significant breakthrough in the history of developing Chinese helicopters.